Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use Excel for financial modeling in 3 minutes. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. Excel is a great tool for financial modeling, and here's how you can get started in just 3 minutes. Now, what we're going to do is open up Excel, and here in Excel, there is a different readily available Excel template. And now I use the business financial plan for this tutorial. So begin by setting up your assumptions. These are the inputs that will drive your financial model, such as sales growth, profit margins, capital expenditures. Next, create a section for your income statement. This includes your revenue, cost of goods sold, gross profit, operating expenses, and net income. After your income statement, create a section for your balance sheet. This includes your assets, liabilities, and equity. Finally, create a section for your cash flow statement. This should include your cash inflows and outflows as well as your net cash flow. Use formulas to link your assumption to your financial statement. For example, your revenue in income statement should be linked to your sales growth assumption. As you update your assumptions, your financial statements will automatically update. So here in this template, we have here the overview, and you can have and learn this one. And we have this overview, which is with the projected profit and loss model. So this provides an overview of business financial plan, estimating guidelines, and instruction to how to use the template to calculate startup costs and profit or loss. And if you go to the other tabs, there is a note here. So you can put your total cost here. And here is the example. And here is the readily template and the example. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!